The Huawei Nova 7 5G, Nova 70 5G, smartphone released in 2020. It is powered by high-silicon Kirin 985 chipset, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The Huawei Nova 7 5G runs on Android OS v 10.0 out of the box. It comes with a LiPo 4000 mAh, non-removable battery. Body. Weight. 180 g. Dimensions. 160.64 x 73.33 x 7.96 millimeters. Colors. Black. Green. Light blue. Purple. Red. SIM type. Nano SIM. System. The Huawei Nova 7 5G runs on Android OS v 10.0 out of the box, but the Nova 7 5G's firmware can be upgraded to a newer version of OS. Android OS v 10.0. Chipset. High silicon Kirin 985. CPU. Octa-core, single-core 2.58 GHz Cortex-A76, triple-core 2.4 GHz Cortex-A76, quad-core 1.84 GHz Cortex-A55. GPU. Mali G77 MP4. Display. Screen size is measured in inches, diagonally from corner to corner. The 6.53 inches OLED capacitive touchscreen with 1080 x 2400 px resolution is multi-touch capable. Technology. OLED. Size. 6.53 inches. Resolution. 1080 x 2400 px. Multi-touch. Yes. Memory. The smartphone's memory, 8GB, cannot be expanded, but the storage, 128GB, can be expanded with a micro SD card. RAM. 8GB. Internal storage. 128GB. External storage. Micro SD. Camera. The camera of the Huawei Nova 7 5G is equipped with autofocus. Autofocus is a camera feature that fine-tunes the focus of the camera. It is a nice feature of this smartphone. The rear camera has optical image stabilization, OIS, to counteract camera shake. Front camera. 36 MP. Rear camera. 64 plus 8 plus 8 plus 2 MP. 9280 x 6920 px. Autofocus. Optical image stabilization. Flash. LED. Connectivity. Nova 7 5G is 3G and 4G capable. This smartphone has a built-in GPS receiver. GPS is a satellite-based navigation system that allows the determination of the exact geographical location on Earth. The Nova 7 5G comes with near-field communications, NFC, functionality for transferring content with other NFC-enabled devices. This Huawei smartphone has FM radio receiver, GSM, 850 and 900 and 1800 and 1900. Mobile network, 2G and 3G and 4G and 5G. WLAN. Wi-Fi 800 and 2.11 A and B and G and N and AC. Bluetooth. V5.0, A2DP. GPS. AGPS, GLONASS. NFC. Yes. FM radio. Yes. USB. USB Type-C. Audio. No. Battery. The LiPo 4000 mAh, non-removable battery gives the smartphone a good battery backup. Type. LiPo 4000 mAh, non-removable. Features. The smartphone sensors measure physical quantities and transmit them to the application processor. The phone's accelerometer is a built-in electronic component that measures tilt and motion. A fingerprint sensor is one of the easiest and most secure ways to protect your smartphone. The proximity sensor detects when a user is holding the phone near their face during a call and turns off the display to prevent keypad presses and battery consumption from the display. The Nova 7 5G has dual SIM capability, which means that you can insert two different SIM cards and use them both from one phone.